In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down voiceover in Elevenlabs. If you're looking to perfect the pacing of your voiceover or make it easier to follow for your audience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the process with step-by-step guidance. First, we need to start by navigating to the Elevenlabs website. Head over to your browser and type in the URL for the Elevenlabs free text-to-speech and AI voice generator. This will be our main platform for creating and adjusting voiceovers. Once you're on the Elevenlabs homepage, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do so to access the studio features. Signing in is straightforward, and make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth process. Upon successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Elevenlabs homepage. Here, you'll find a variety of options and tools at your disposal. For our purpose, let's focus on the Products section, which is crucial for navigating to the area where you can modify voiceovers. Click on the Products tab to proceed. Once you're in the Products area, you'll need to access the Studio section. Click on Studio to open the space where you can begin crafting your voiceover masterpiece. The Studio is where the magic happens, providing you with tools and options to customize your voiceover according to your preferences. Within the studio, you'll see an option labeled Create a Voiceover. Clicking on this will initiate the setup for your voiceover project. It's during this phase that you can input the text you want to convert into speech. But what's truly essential for our task today is how we control the pacing of this voiceover. To slow down the pace of your voiceover, you'll need to use the Insert Break feature. By strategically placing breaks within your text, you create natural pauses, which in turn reduces the overall speed of the narration. Select the point in the text where you want your narration to pause and click Insert Break. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure your voiceover isn't too rushed, enhancing clarity and making it more listener-friendly. And that's it. By following these steps, you can successfully adjust the speed of your voiceover in Elevenlabs, creating a more pleasant and comprehensible audio experience. Whether you're creating content for educational purposes or storytelling, getting the pacing right is key. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you master the art of voice and speech generation.